Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download Discord. So to begin with, I'll show how you can download the Discord mobile app on your iOS based device. So open up the App Store, make sure that your iPhone, iPad or any other Apple device is connected to Wi-Fi. At the search bar, type in Discord. Once the Discord app is found, tap either at the Get button or at the cloud icon that you'll have over here, depending on whether you previously had this app downloaded or not. So that's just tap at the whatever icon or button you'll have over here. Wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. At the Android, it's not much different, aside from instead of App Store, you will need to open the Play Store, connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, you know the drill, then find the Discord app page, and then tap at the install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you can see on my iPhone, the Discord was successfully downloaded. So now I can drag its icon to my home screen and start using the app. In here, I'll wait for a little bit for the Android phone to also finish setup of the Discord app and show you that it was successfully installed. And well, you can start using it now. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded the app on both devices. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.